The time of shooting this video is end of June 2025, and we know what the big news is from 1st of July, which is a few days away. All investment property, rental properties must comply with healthy home standards, and there is no exception other than if you have plans to develop the property and you already have the resource consent and relevant paperwork. You fall under the exemption. Other than that, every type of property, as long as it's a rental property, must comply with healthy home standard. This is Monica from Uno Property Management. I talk about everything relating to investment property in Auckland. Now, the question I got from my investor clients recently is what happens when the property was not required to be healthy home compliant. For example, it was an owner occupied property and now they're buying it with settlement of July to rent out. How much time do I get to make the property? Can I advertise the property for rent? Can the tenant move in before and while I'm waiting for the contractor to schedule for the work to be done, blah, blah, blah. Now, it's a very simple answer. It's a firm no. You can advertise the property if it is not healthy home compliant, but you cannot let your tenant move in before the work is completed. So basically, all properties must comply with healthy home standards. Plain and simple. There's no exemptions or exceptions. So if you're buying a property, you can negotiate as part of your sales and purchase agreement with a vendor on what you're doing with Healthy Home, perhaps sharing the cost or make the cost payable and responsible by the vendor as a possibility. But you cannot move a tenant into the property now without the property being compliant, 100%.